A Tubolito tube, which you probably already heard of. They are made of polymer and are much lighter than classic rubber tubes. I have them in my cyclocross bike tires for a couple of years now, and recently decided to put them into my road bike tires just as well. But what a pity! One of them was leaking air from the very start. Where? At the valve. On this tube type, the Presta valve is glued right into the plastic valve stem, and this is exactly where my Tubolito tube was leaking. But here comes the best part. I filled a special support form on Tubolito website and had a spare warranty tube shipped from Austria the same day, with no requirement to send back the faulty tube first, nor any other time-consuming requirements. As simple as that. So if you think of a Tubolito but have some reliability concerns, just keep in mind this 5-star warranty coverage.